Having wrestled with the frustration of outdated operating systems on beloved hardware, and after rigorous testing of countless solutions, I have finally uncovered multiple effective ways to breathe new life into your vintage Apple devices, and I'm excited to share these breakthroughs with you now. This video will show you exactly how to install latest Macos on unsupported old Macs, giving your machine a fresh start. First, we tackle preparing the USB installer, which is crucial because it creates a portable, bootable environment that Macos can recognize, working around the standard checks that would otherwise prevent installation on older systems. This method essentially customizes the installer package itself. Next, modifying the installer files involves integrating specific patches and drivers tailored for your older hardware. These patches cleverly trick the macOS installer into thinking it's running on a supported machine, enabling the operating system to function correctly even without official compatibility. Then, booting from the USB drive is about directing your Mac to start from our specially prepared installer instead of its internal drive. This critical step gives us control over the installation process, allowing us to install the modified Macos where it wouldn't normally go. Finally, post-install tweaks are essential for full functionality. After the main installation, these final adjustments install vital drivers for components like Wi-Fi and graphics, ensuring everything works smoothly and efficiently, making your old Mac feel brand new.